This is what the Abia State government is really giving us here. It's really giving us here. Wow. The road construction is massive. It's massive. And as you can see, the work is ongoing. The work is ongoing here. The work is ongoing here. The serious construction is ongoing here. This is a massive one, and below here is a deep tunnel, a deep one, a deep tunnel. All right, just follow me gradually, and I'll show you the update. I'll give you updates on the current road construction. Give you updates. Make sure you follow my page and like. Yeah, like I told you, I'll be giving you the current update on the road construction. And this, as you can see with me, this is the tunnel. The tunnel, as you can see, some people are walking there. This is the tunnel, as you can see with me. Yeah. As you can see with me. As you can see with me. And as you can see, they are really doing the whole job here. Yes, I can see with me. The work is really going well. I'll keep you updated.